Hello guys, welcome to the multiple choice question series on the YouTube channel Langlet Guide. I am Saurav Rogle and today I am going to present some MCQs on the topic No Men Are Foreign on behalf of Professor Sunil Devkar and Professor Balasaheb Rogle from the exam perspective. But before we start, subscribe our channel if you haven't already and be sure to give a like if you feel the content useful. So without further ado, let's get started. Question number 1. No Men Are Foreign has been written by British prolific or creative translator poet and travelogues named dash dash. Options are A. John Critchup, B. James Anderson, C. James Falconer Critchup, or D. Robert Critchup. The correct option is C. James Falconer Critchup. Question 2. What is the lifespan of Critchup? Options are A. 23rd April 1918 to 10 May 2009, B. 23rd April 1818 to 10 May 1909, C. 23rd April 1718 to 10 May 1809, or D. 23rd April 1910 to 10 May 2000. The correct option is A. 23rd April 1918 to 10 May 2009. Question number 3. What is the title of Crickup's first book of poetry published in 1947? Options are A. The Drowned Mariner, B. The Sunk Mariner, C. The Drowned Sailor, or D. The Drowned Boatman. The correct option is A. The Drowned Mariner. Question number 4. Critchup was the first dash dash for the period 1950 to 1952 at Leeds University. Options are A. Gregory Poetry Fellow, B. George Poetry Fellow, C. Romantic Poetry Fellow, or D. Victorian Poetry Fellow. The correct option is A. Gregory Poetry Fellow. Question number 5. When does Critchup become a Fellow of the Royal Society of Literature? Options are A. 1961, B. 1962, C. 1960, or D. 1964. The correct option is B. 1964. Question number 6. Due to dash dash, work makes Critchup a widely acknowledged skilled writer. Options are A. Haikus and Tankas, B. Arms and the Man, C. Hamlet, or D. Passage to India. Correct option is A. Haikus and Tankas. Question 7. Dash dash is the hometown of Critchup. Options are A. East Shields, B. North Shields, C. South Shields, or D. West Shields. The correct option is C. South Shields. Question number 8. Many of Crickup's poems recalls his childhood days in the dash dash. Options are A. Southeast, B. Northeast, C. East South, or D. East North. The correct option is B. Northeast. Question number 9. Critchup translated books by dash dash. Options are A. French authors and American poets, B. German authors and Japanese poets, C. French authors and Japanese poets, or D. Indian authors and Japanese poets. The correct option is C. French authors and Japanese poets. Question 10. Who published Crickup's last volume of poetry in 2008? Options are A. Black Squirrel Press, B. Blue Squirrel Press, C. Green Squirrel Press, or D. Red Squirrel Press. The correct option is D. Red Squirrel Press. Question 11. Critchup received the dash dash award for literature from the Rockefeller Foundation. Options are A. Atlantic, B. Pacific, C. Red Sea, or D. Nobel. The correct option is A. Atlantic. Question 12. Critchup was elected as a fellow of the dash dash. Options are A. Rocky Society of Literature, B. Rotary Society of Literature, C. Royal Society of Literature, or D. Critchup Society of Literature. The correct option is C. Royal Society of Literature. Question 13. Cricket won the Japan PEN Club Prize for dash dash in 1965. Options are A. Translation, B. Short story, C. Poetry, or D. Novel. The correct option is C. Poetry. Question 14. Cricket was awarded the Scott Moncrieff Prize for dash dash in 1992. Options are A. Translation, B. Poetry, C. Drama, or D. Social service. The correct option is A. Translation. Question 15. No Men Are Foreign is a simple poem with a noble message of dash dash. Options are A. Universal Brotherhood, B. National Brotherhood, C. State Brotherhood, or D. Kingdom Brotherhood. The correct option is A. Universal Brotherhood. Question 16. Cricket tells us that we should not consider anyone as a dash dash. Options are A. Foreign or strange, B. Friends and relatives, C. Wise and fools, or D. Clever and mad. Correct option is A. Foreign or strange. Question 17. According to Cricket, humanity is the same all over the world, and if we harm anyone, we harm dash dash. Options are A. Ourselves, B. Themselves, C. Myself, or D. Herself. Correct option is A. Ourselves. Question 18. According to Cricket, to destroy another country means to destroy our dash dash. Options are A. Brothers, B. Human being, C. Our nation, or D. Own land or earth. Correct option is D. Own land or earth. Question 19. Cricket suggests his reader to look on humanity as a dash dash. Options are A. Love, B. War, C. Foreigner, or D. Unified entity. Correct option is D. Unified entity. Question 20. No Men Are Foreign is a strong plea, that is request, for dash dash. Options are A. National Brotherhood, B. Universal Brotherhood, C. Love thyself, or D. Engage in war. Correct option is B. Universal Brotherhood. Question 21. No Men Are Foreign tells us to look upon dash dash as a unified entity. Options are A. Mercilessness, B. Selfishness, C. Humanity, or D. Hatred. Correct option is C. Humanity. Question 22. According to Cricket, if we harm anyone, we harm dash dash. Options are A. God, B. Anybody, C. Ourselves, or D. Somebody. Correct option is C. Ourselves. Question 23. According to Cricket, if we destroy another country, we destroy our own dash dash. Options are A. Country, B. Property, C. Wealth, or D. Earth. Correct option is D. Earth. Question 24. No Men Are Foreign underlies the fact that the people of different countries have the same dash dash. Options are A. Uniform, B. Dress, C. Fate and physical, mental and emotional experiences, or D. Envy. Correct option is C. Fate and physical, mental and emotional experiences. Question 25. According to Cricket, the people of universe are not different though they wear dash dash and speak different languages. Options are A. Same clothes or uniforms, B. Different ornaments, C. Different clothes or uniforms, or D. Different caps. Correct option is C. Different clothes or uniforms. Question 26. According to Cricket, nobody is a stranger and dash dash. Options are A. No country is our, B. No country is foreign, C. No men are foreign, or D. No lady is foreign. Correct option is B. No country is foreign. Question 27. What does Cricket emphasize through the poem? Options are A. Importance of hating others or universal jealousy. B. Futility of hating others or universal brotherhood. C. Importance of to distrust others. Or D. Utility of hating others and national brotherhood. Correct option is B. Futility of hating others or universal brotherhood. Question 28. What according to Cricup are the weapons to pollute the air we breathe? Options are A. Water and land. B. Bravery shown in war. C. Dust and smoke caused by war. Or D. Dust and garbage. Correct option is C. Dust and smoke caused by war. Question 29. No men are foreign gives a message that we are all one or love our brothers, all universal brotherhood. Makes the poem dash dash. Options are A. Didactic. B. Interesting. C. Pleasant. Or D. Amusing. Correct option is A. Didactic. Question 30. What are Crickup's views on peace and war? Options are A. War brings prosperity while peace brings adversity. B. War is important to expand our kingdom. C. Peace brings prosperity while war brings adversity. Or D. War shows bravery while peace shows cowardness. The correct option is C. Peace brings prosperity while war brings adversity. Question 31. What is the strong plea Crickup discuss in the poem? Options are A. War brings peace. B. Utility of war. C. Importance of war. Or D. The evils of war or futility of war. Correct option is D. The evils of war or futility of war. Question 32. 20 lines poem of Crickup contains dash dash. Options are A. 5 stanzas. B. 4 stanzas. C. 2 stanzas. Or D. 10 stanzas. Correct option is A. 5 stanzas. Question 33. Each stanza of No Men Are Foreign contains dash dash. Options are A. 10 lines. B. 5 lines. C. 4 lines. Or D. 2 lines. Correct option is C. 4 lines. Question 34. The title of the poem conveys that dash dash. Options are A. All people belong to different lands. B. All people wear different uniform. C. All people speak different languages. Or D. All people belong to the same earth or universal brotherhood. Correct option is D. All people belong to the same earth or universal brotherhood. Question 35. What message does No Men Are Foreign give? Options are A. Equality and universal brotherhood. B. Always keep yourself busy. C. Visit foreign countries. Or D. No traditions of foreign countries. Correct option is A. Equality and universal brotherhood. Question 36. According to Crickup, we pollute the air by dash dash. Options are A. Industries and factories. B. Blowing loud horns. C. Throwing garbage in rivers. Or D. Hating and killing others. Correct option is D. Hating and killing others. Question 37. According to Crickup, dash dash people for their personal interests instigates the ordinary people to hate. Options are A. Selfish. B. Kind-hearted. C. Selfless. Or D. Generous. Correct option is A. Selfish. Question 38. According to Crickup, dash dash makes man's vision clouded. Options are A. Love and kindness. B. Love and beauty. C. Hate and narrow thinking. Or D. Broad thinking and hate. Correct option is C. Hate and narrow thinking. Question 39. According to Cricup, dash dash discourages the human being. Options are A. Universal brotherhood, B. Different uniforms, C. Ill practice of hatred and discrimination, or D. Use of different languages. Correct option is C. Ill practice of hatred and discrimination. Question 40. According to Cricup, a single body breathes beneath all dash dash. Options are A. Uniforms, B. Air filters, C. Air conditioned rooms, or D. Bridges. Correct option is A. Uniforms. Question 41. The meaning of brothers in No Men Are Foreign is dash dash. Options are A. Close friends, B. Relatives, C. Foe citizens, or D. Fellow citizens. Correct option is D. Fellow citizens. Question 42. With the help of dash dash, Cricup proves that there are no foreign countries. Options are A. Nature or natural images, B. Meter, C. Rhythm, or D. Rhyme. Correct option is A. Nature or natural images. Question 43. By dash dash, we can understand common life on every land. Options are A. Following narrow thinking and hatred, B. Living with narrow thinking and hatred, C. Living narrow thinking and hatred, or D. Reading religious books. Correct option is C. Living narrow thinking and hatred. Question 44. Dash dash are responsible for the separation of different countries. Options are A. Traditions, B. Wars, C. Borders, or D. Political leaders. Correct option is C. Borders. Question 45. Cricup wants to remove the dash dash from the earth. Options are A. Castes, B. Forests, C. Borders, or D. Religions. Correct option is C. Borders. Question 46. According to Cricup, people usually starve during dash dash. Options are A. Winter and war, B. Summer and war, C. Autumn and war, or D. Spring and war. Correct option is A. Winter and war. Question 47. What is the central theme of the poem No Men Are Foreign? Options are A. Love and war, B. Love and hatred, C. Love and universal brotherhood, or D. Dress and uniform. Correct option is C. Love and universal brotherhood. Question 48. What similarities Cricup refers to elaborate universality of humankind? Options are A. Same body parts, B. Same emotions and feelings, C. Same uniforms, or D. Same parts of body, emotions, and enjoy same land, food, air and water, that is earthly entities. Correct option is D. Same parts of bodies, emotions, and enjoy same land, food, air and water, or earthly entities. Question 49. Why does Cricup say that the air everywhere is our own? Options are A. Air can blow anywhere, B. Air cannot be seen, C. As air never discriminate or everybody breathes in the same air, or D. Air can occupy space. Correct option is C. As air never discriminate or everyone breathes in the same air. Question 50. They are fed by peaceful harvest but war's long winter starve. The line from No Men Are Foreign explains dash dash. Options are A. Causes of war, B. Adverse or bad effects of war, C. Effects of war, or D. Importance of war. Correct option is B. Adverse or bad effects of war. Question 51. What is our hell of fire and dust according to Cricup? Options are A. War, B. Uniform, C. Breath, or D. Air. Correct option is A. War. Question 52. How according to Cricup strength can be won? Options are A. By love, B. By war, C. By wearing same uniform, or D. By expanding national borders. Correct option is A. By love. Question 53. Who according to Cricup are responsible to defile, that is pollute the earth? Options are A. Superpower countries, B. Air, sound and water, C. All animals, or D. All human beings or every citizens on earth. Correct option is D. All human beings or every citizen on earth. Question 54. What according to Cricup every human being should remember? Options are A. Every man is foreign and every country is strange, B. Love your family members, C. No men are foreign and no country is strange, or D. Respect thy teachers. Correct option is C. No men are foreign and no country is strange. Question 55. What is the meaning defile? The word used in poem No Men Are Foreign. Options are A. Disturb, B. Office file, C. Personal file, or D. Pollute. Correct option is D. Pollute. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching the video.